In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads account. If you're new to online advertising, getting your Google Ads account set up is the very first step. And the good news is that it's quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process and share a few simple tips so you feel confident from the start. Begin by opening your web browser and typing ads.google.com into the address bar. Double-check the URL to make sure you're on the official Google site, as that helps keep your information secure. When the page loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. This takes you to Google's secure sign-in page. Now, sign in with your existing Google account. This is the same type of account you might already use for Gmail, YouTube, or Drive. If you don't have a Google account yet, you can create one first right from the sign-in page. Creating a Google account is a one-time process and only takes a moment. Once you've created it, come back to ads.google.com and click Sign In again to continue. After you sign in, you're essentially done. The account is created and you're in. That's all there is to it. You'll be taken into the Google Ads interface where you can see options to explore your account, learn about campaigns, and get familiar with the layout. If you're already signed into your browser with a Google account, you might be taken straight in without even seeing the sign-in screen, which simply means you're good to go. A couple of quick tips as you land in your account. First, take a moment to look around the dashboard so you know where things live. You'll notice sections for campaigns, tools, and billing settings. You don't need to touch any of that right now, but being aware of the layout will make things easier when you're ready to run your first ad. Second, if you plan to manage ads for a business, consider using a dedicated Google account for clarity and organization, especially if multiple people will collaborate. That's the entire setup. You went to ads.google.com, clicked Sign In, and signed in with a Google account, or created one if you didn't have one yet, and you're in. From here, you can learn at your own pace and get comfortable before launching anything. In upcoming sessions, we'll cover how to prepare your first campaign, set clear goals, and make smart choices that fit your budget. For now, you've successfully created your Google Ads account, and you're ready for the next step whenever you are.